Good day. I repair a lot of Jabra Evolve2 version 1 headsets with a broken microphone wire. I put a new wire from the microphone through the boom arm in a loop to the PCB. So no connection here with the old wires, just completely new wires. I thought I'd buy a Evolve2 75 with the microphone problem and see if I could fix it and share it with you. I opened it up, popped the ear cap, 3 screws, then wiggle a bit and will open. There are no wires. There's also a microphone here. There's the hole. It's spring-loaded connector connected to the PCB. This is the boom arm, mic boom. And here we have the flat cable with 2 microphones and the mute button. I thought the flat cable was broken. Microphones the holes are through the PCB for listening and mounted on this piece of plastic that has the holes here. Anyway, I thought it would be the flat cable. It's nearly unrepairable, but it's doable maybe. So I looked everywhere and I cannot find any broken point. So I tested it for continuity between the PCB connection to the pads on the microphones on diode test, so there's a little bit of power running through it and it's all okay. The mute button also works. That leads me to the conclusion that the mics, or at least the one that's listening to your voice, is broken. That's unrepairable, at least for me. So I hope Jabra will supply these cables later on, or I'm going to try to ask them, because somebody has to make them. I find it very strange. Maybe later revisions have this problem, not anymore, but too bad because it's a nice headset. Thank you.